So what basically how far I am with the learning Spark. I have created like 32 overview slides, and like going through PySpark with data frames and transformations and stuff. And then we're going to do the hands-on part, like with everything that basically the coding. I'm going to do some Spark SQL about it. And the batch job I'm going to leave out. That's what we're going to do in the GCP course. We're going to then use Dataproc to actually do a batch and a stream pipeline with Spark. Set up with Docker. How I think I'm going to do that is I'm going to set up a Jupyter container with because they're super cheap and runs on your local machine, and you can use Spark on local and just use the storage on hard drive. That's basically what we're going through. So I'm going to choose a good data set, how we can train with it. It's going to be something very, very simple. And then Jupyter Basics, and yeah, and also we're going to start with how Spark works, some overview, and why Spark.